Welcome to Delft Stack. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to fix the ERR QUIC Protocol Error in Microsoft Edge easily and step by step. This error usually happens because of issues with the QUIC protocol, which Edge uses to speed up browsing, but sometimes it causes connection problems instead. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the address bar, then type edge:2/flags and press enter. In the search box at the top, type QKC to quickly find the related setting. You will see an option called Experimental QECECAS Protocol. Change it from default to disabled. After that, click on the Restart button at the bottom to relaunch the browser and apply the changes. Once Edge restarts, try opening the website again and check if the error is gone. If the issue is still there, clear your browser cache by going to Settings, then Privacy Search and Services, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and try disabling any VPN or proxy if you're using one. Finally, keep your browser updated to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues. That's it. One of these methods should fix the ERR QUIC Protocol Error in Microsoft Edge. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.